The injury time has come, is it not? So we're already counting our days. We're counting our days. But it shall be well. Don't you believe so? It shall be well. But let me use this opportunity to tell our people, while I was away, I was hearing some rantings by Bayelsa state government. The problem in this country is leadership. When leadership has failed, they can come up and tell their people, we are responsible for this. It's unfortunate. I've never seen hostility against Rivers State government by any government than Bayelsa State government. The hostility is too much. Why, I do not know. In 2021, we wrote to Bayelsa State government and said to them, listen, we are doing urban renewal. The property you have at Akasa is not a property that any human being should live in. And we cannot allow that property to be there if you don't renovate it or bring it down and rebuild or sell it to the state government. Because we are talking of fighting insecurity. If you go to OGRA, we spent money giving it to Julius Berger to do all the roads in OGRA. Before, people will come in from Eastern Bypass and enter OGRA, commit crime, and go back. Today, it is no longer possible because we have barricaded that area. So you cannot enter from Eastern Bypass. You must come in from the old GRA. And you don't know the people who are living in those houses. So I met my colleague, the governor of Bayelsa. I said, please, why not renovate this place? And then we know that human beings are living there. 2021, we went for governor's meeting. Governor of Oyo State can bear witness. Governor of Adamawa State can bear witness. I said, please, how much will it cost? 200-300 million naira. Renovate the place. But we cannot allow this kind of property to still be here if you don't. 2021, August. 2022, nothing happened. Then in my usual routine inspection, I was going around and I still saw the property there. I said, what is this? I told the Palm Sector, issue them 2 weeks notice to leave. We have acquired it under public policy. They wrote to us to give them time. I said, no, I know these people. I know where they're heading to. And I said, go and bring it down. Chase away any criminal. And we are building judges' quarters there. Nothing will happen. Nothing. You see, now people are playing politics with it. That I did it because of political vendetta. What political vendetta? What's my business? If you go to Aba Road, you know where Edo line used to be. You know where Edo line used to be? When Oshomole was the governor, I wrote to Oshomole. I said, listen, if you don't want to develop this place, we will take it back. Oshomole told me that, look, they don't have the money. I said, too bad. That's what I can do. The state government took it over. I'm going to that place now. You see how it's where you have Senator John Batta's house. What I mean house, not his personal house. It's because you say that it is his house. We built it for his contribution to the state and the nation. We named that property after him. But if you see that place, you can see it has given beauty to that area. That was it. So did I do it because Oshomole, I was carrying a political vendetta against Oshomole? In Forces Avenue, Nigerian Railway, you see they are building there. So unkept. I said, no, we won't allow this here. The US government acquired it. And we built the South-South Housing Office of National Judicial Council there. And there again, we're laying the foundation on the 24th for the new Federal High Court there. So why did I do that? If you want your state to be like that, my own state cannot be like that. We are very clean people. We are people who have taste. We are people who have taste. Nobody can tell me, any right-thinking person will see such a thing and you allow it. Play politics with you. That he supported Atiku. What's my business about that? He supported, so what is the support? Oh, I didn't come for your father's better. What is that? Who am I? Obasanjo was there. Jonathan was there. Osibanjo was there. Atiku was there. And you are worried about me that didn't come. I can't understand. If I went, would the man have a reason? I don't understand the kind of politics people play. I didn't come. Me, I lost my stepmother. Did you come? Did I complain to anybody? And people every time politicizing things. Issues of development. If you want your own state to be littered with such properties alone, okay, me, I will not allow it. And I will take more decisions till 28. Decisions that people will be shocked. So don't say, oh, why is he rushing? Rushing to where? I'm still governor of Rivers State. So I will utilize every power I have to do what I'm supposed to do. So let people not do this. See where we do Justice Mero Judicial Institute. It used to be old airways near the High Court. Criminals took over the place. I said, Attorney General, how can we allow this to be here? And we acquired it under public policy. And today, we have built Justice Mero Judicial Institute. The person, why did we do that? Go to Nzibiro. People have land in Ojiado, no one to be built. Criminals took over the whole place. I said, no, we can't allow that. We can't. I know one big man from Lagos. He sent people to me. I said, sir, I will not allow this. If it was your state, Lagos, will you do this? Come on. I will not agree. Go and build. People should go and build. And that is the way it's supposed to be. I'm not a leader who is afraid of taking decision. I am not going to be afraid of taking decision. If you feel I've stepped on their toes, please don't forgive me. If you feel I've stepped on your toes, please don't forgive me. Because I've not stepped on anybody's toes. I'm doing what is right to be done. The problem we have is the courage to do the right thing. Everybody is afraid. I'm not going to be afraid. I'll do what I think is right. It doesn't matter who is involved. So please, tell Bayelsa State to leave us alone. Go to Lagos State, our liaison office. I don't even know why Lagos State government have not revoked the property. We cannot develop that place because of Bayelsa State. Take your own part. Let's take our own part. Develop our own part. Problem. Go and see the liaison office of the Old River State in Lagos. Bishop Oyole. Go and see. Very bad. Take your own part. Give us our own part. Let's develop, rebuild our own. Problem. Problem. Look at new engineering works. Amcon took it, advertised it for sale. Amcon. We saw it, we said no. We can't allow this to go. We applied, and Amcon sold the property to Rivers State government. Bayelsa State government came up and took us to court. But we are joint owners. Joint owners with what? Amcon advertised something to be sold. And we bought. We joint owners. They took us to court. So everything we are doing, I don't know the kind of hostility. People like, I'm not competing with anybody. But I owe my people the duty to give them good governance. I owe my people the duty to provide development in this state. If you like, go and hold meeting. Conspire against me, rubbish. I'm finishing very, very well. So I felt I should be able to explain this to you and not to listen to propagandists telling lies up and down. You are designing World Trade Center. Since 2021, where we are trying to redesign the place. Look at how a government will tell you that for how many months? 19 good months. We allow criminals to take over our area. Look at people living there. Rivers State is not like any other state. When you come to Rivers State, you know it's a state that is being governed by a human being too. Somebody who knows what to do. So that is for information, so that when you see them going to their media houses, please discard it. We are building judges' quarters. Forget the story they are carrying. Oh, Wike want to take like, okay, even if I want to take it, what will you do? Am I not for River State? Am I not entitled to own land?